Hey my friend, this is Justin Moreno. Tokyo Metro System is the most complex one in the world because it's not just a metro system, but another city underneath Tokyo. Today, we're gonna take a Marunouchi line to Tokyo Station, or Tokyo Eki in Japanese, from Shinjuku where we live. I'm gonna give you a detailed navigation on how to get there using Tokyo Metro System. Just so you know, you don't need to speak or understand Japanese if you get lost. Nowadays, most Japanese people can speak English. Do not try to ask your question in Japanese unless you are fluent in that language, because it's most likely Japanese people can speak better English than your Japanese. Now we need to go to a ticket machine. These machines serve passengers in 4 languages: Japanese, English, Chinese, and Korean. You need to pick up yours that make you feel comfortable. You can buy a single ticket one by one, multiple ones in one shot. Let me show you how.
Please insert money or a card. Please insert money or a card. Thank you. Please not to forget to take your card.
Don't forget your ticket. You will need it at exit. You have to make sure you are going to the right direction. In our case, we're taking the train heading to Ikebukuro direction. We have to get out exactly from the north exit to reach Tokyo Station. Any other exit will force you to take a longer walk. You have to plan properly if you try to stop by any specific location. Tokyo Station is a major historical landmark that deserves a separate video. If you like my navigation, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you.